The reason that I joined E.ON Next to begin with was because they advertise about their passion for leading changes in regards to the environment, sustainability. It's very, very clear from seeing this workshop today that they are very serious about it.
Climate change does make me feel very overwhelmed because it's such a large issue. It's very scary. I mean, I don't want children myself, but I've got a younger sister who is only 6 and it does really worry me for her future.
Climate change makes me feel, I guess, quite overwhelmed. It's quite a big thing. I definitely believe it's an issue. But I guess it's hard to know what difference you can make as one person.
From a personal point of view, just taking personal responsibility, small steps, things like recycling, that sort of thing. I know it's a cliche, but it's one of those things where if everyone does it, you will see a huge benefit to it.
Climate change and carbon footprint makes me feel anxious, frankly. I feel, although I do a lot myself to try and tackle that, it's very clear that not everybody's doing their bit, and that makes me really anxious because it's something I've not got control of, and I really think people need to start stepping up now.
The best sort of way to tackle it would be to start at the top and trickle its way down. I think it's like you say, the politicians and the big companies that are causing so much of the problem. But at the same time, if everybody had the same sort of idea of, oh well, my little impact isn't going to make a difference, then nothing would ever change. I do know my mum says that as a child I was very, very conscious of things like this, and it was something I was really passionate about as younger, which is why I wanted to come to the workshop today, so that I can sort of learn more and then sort of spread that across with my family and friends.
I think we all feel anxious about it. It all makes us feel a bit rubbish sometimes. And to recognise that and that it's all right, but there are things that we can do. And I think encouraging people to take a little bit of time, if it's 5 minutes, to go find out what those things are to make them feel better.
You have a limit as to how much you can do initially. And obviously if you're strong with your boundaries and strong with your mental well-being, you really can have an impact. The reason that I joined E.ON Next to begin with was because they advertise about their passion for leading changes in regards to the environment, sustainability. It's very, very clear from seeing this workshop today that they are very serious about it. And so, yeah, I'm just feeling empowered now, completely.